Hi, Vieira with stockmarketlive.tv. Today we are going to have one of the most important announcements, the earnings report in the US stock market. I'm referring to the biotech company Amgen. Amgen, it is the most important company in the biotech sector. We have a strong sell rating and I recommend to maintain a very large short position on shares. And the reason is very simple. In my opinion, shares are going down. They are going to plunge, and therefore Amgen, as one of my strong sell recommendations, you should have or maintain a large short position on the stock. Since in 2015, I downgraded shares to a strong sell, $180, announcing when to close long positions on a long-term basis. And I said at that time that, in my opinion, Amgen on a long-term basis to be a strong sell. And also I said, moreover, that Biogen also to be a sell. And therefore we have a strong sell rating in Biogen since $400 plus when we recommended to sell long positions. So very simple, and today I'm not going to discuss live as I did in the case of Apple or Tesla Motors this week, the earnings in Amgen after hours, since it will be not necessary, okay? So this, what I'm going to do is to show you the forecast that I revealed in 2015 and which is of public knowledge. It is available on YouTube, on Vimeo, on every single website for more than 1 year, and we have not had any change whatsoever. Moreover, and to finalize, I'm going to repeat what I've said in 2016, just 1 month ago, when you had shares of Amgen trading at $175, okay? So you had again other tremendous opportunity to re-enter the short side in Amgen if you have not done so. Also, if you have a short position in Amgen, you should maintain one short position in Biogen. Since Amgen going down, Biogen is also going down, and you also should maintain a very large short position in the biotech sector ETF, the IBB, since I announced the long-term top last year in 2015 at $400 when I downgraded Apple to strong sell at 133. That was coincident with my call in Acadia Pharmaceuticals downgrading to strong sell 48 to 52. I explained all these in detail. So how do I know that Amgen shares, they are going to plunge? I know for a very simple reason that I proved here for I don't know how many years, that you have on the website of the company addressing this week the earnings in Apple, where and answering to every single question, demonstrating 100% accuracy. So you find the video on the web, published and discussed in real time during 40 minutes. I demonstrated that I knew very well what Apple shares they were going to do, trading all the way up to our price target 120 and 70 cents, selling long positions, reversing to the short side at $121.70, and then shares they reversed course, and you made lots of money on my call that Apple was about to lose eventually 50 billion in market cap. Also, I addressed live the case of Tesla Motors, since it is other stock that we have, a very important one in our portfolio, and you also have the video on the web. I discussed it live, selling shares at $215.15, reversing to the short side. Since then, shares they also plunged. So the earnings, my friends, in Amgen, it's rather simple. You should maintain a short position. Amgen, it is part of my calls in the article that you have on the website, a plan to make $5 billion in the US stock market. Moreover, also I'm tired of giving you complimentary market calls. I'm referring, for example, to the case of Twitter. I'm referring to the case of Acadia Pharmaceuticals selling shares at $41.50, announcing that shares they were going to collapse. They collapsed, and my friends, what else do you need? Quite frankly, I don't know. the complementary calls on bitcoins, the complementary calls on the British pound, in the euro dollar, in the forex markets, in the oil. So you had all there live, made live, streamed live to investors worldwide. Therefore, this is one more where you don't need any help whatsoever, and what I'm going to do here is to pass the video that you have since 2015, the forecast, which I repeat does not have any modifications whatsoever, and good luck going into earnings. Thank you.
Here about Amgen in the morning, as soon as shares they crossed $180, we downgraded strong buy to strong sell on a long-term basis. We have been bullish Amgen, and we remained bullish Amgen through earnings, according to the information given here on live streaming, the pivots disclosed in advance, and today selling 1% at $180 in the morning, reverse into the short side. Going forward, we have a sell to strong sell rating in Amgen, and this is according to the information that I've been disclosing on the website, on the blog, downgrading biotech companies, selling all of them, and in many cases investing heavily on the short side, since in my perspective you are going to have a stock market crash, and that one to be in fact very soon. And this after I bet on the collapse of gold, oil stocks, and the next one will be biotech and tech stocks. Having said this, you also have on the left hand side one of our top priorities on the short side, LinkedIn. Top short pick, we remain short LinkedIn, $262, and I believe that there are reasons to remain short the stock, since there is plenty of room for shares to continue going down. So going forward, you have also on these two stocks here two picks on the short side in the biotech sector, Biogen and Amgen. Biogen, my upside target, it was $455. Above that price target, recommended to sell short heavily. Amgen, the price target $180, $183 at most, and reversing to the short side as of today. So going forward, we have strong sell ratings on both companies. Both companies, they have still room to go down, and therefore you have the opportunity to make very large profits going forward on the short side. And finally, this is available for all those that have been following the instructions how to invest in these companies for the past few years here with me, since according to the methodology, these were former long-term strong buy picks here at our company, and we reversed it to the short side.